What's up, you guys? Hope you are having an absolutely fantastic day. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to get those custom icons that you guys saw in the intro on your iPhone. It's super easy. I'm going to show you right here, so let's just jump right into it. Alright, so these are the custom icons I have right now. I have the old Instagram logo, a new weather looking, really modern looking weather logo, a also really modern looking messages logo, and even a calendar logo that seems to not have any text underneath it, and two of them are circles. I'm going to show you how to do all these, and it's super easy, and here's a little trick. So what you're going to want to do is go over to Shortcuts. It's an app that should be downloaded on all devices with iOS 13, but if you don't have iOS 13, then it's really easy just to go to the App Store and download it. You will need an iPhone for this, because that's what this tutorial is about. So go to Shortcuts. What you're then going to do is click Create Shortcut. You're going to go down to the bottom here and click Search for Apps and Actions. You're then going to search Open App. You have to scroll down a wee bit here. Click on Open App. Click the app that you would like to add. I'm going to add the calendar app. So the original calendar app. You're then going to click the three dots in the upper right hand corner here and click Add to Home Screen. From here, you're going to select the name you would like for this. If you would like to have it so there's no text underneath it, you can even paste a blank character here. That's what I did with the calendar app that you see on my home screen, which is also what I'm going to do with this one, and that's what I'm showing you guys how to do. Then you're going to click on the icon over here. Looks like a wand. And you're going to click Choose Photo. From here, you're going to select the photo you would like to make the icon. So I'm going to select this calendar app right here with the black background. Going up and centering it in frame. That's somewhat centered at least. I'm going to click Choose. Make sure it's in frame when it comes over here. Looks like it's a little out of place, but the idea is what counts. I'm going to click Add. There we go. This is our new one that we just added. It's the calendar app, and if I click on it, it opens up to the calendar. The same thing happens if I click on the Instagram app here. Opens up to Instagram, which if you guys haven't already, I'd love it if you would go follow me on Instagram at BDre. I make videos about tech, as you see here, and I post a lot of cool things about technology on this Instagram account, so definitely go check it out. So in order to get these circle looking apps, what you have to do is either find a transparent image online that has the transparent, and then when it defaults to adding the image, it will default to black. Or like I did with this calendar one, I went into Photoshop and edited so it's a black on the background and then had the icon there. Doing so, you just add the picture and then set your background to like a black background, and you can get creative with this. You could set the background to white and then have the icons have a white background. You could even have icons that aren't even a circle. You could have an actual calendar looking thing with a black background, so it would look like just like a little calendar thing. More look like what you would have on an Android. So this is just like customization of your phone. It's a really simple trick. You guys should really check it out. If you like this video, then you know what to do. Click the like button down below. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos with Siri shortcuts in the future. They're a lot of fun, and there's some really cool things you can do with them. And so if you guys have any questions, leave them down below. Subscribe if you like this video, and I'll see you next week.